on what? Oh, it's that driver again.
Fans of both teams are there as well. They're all fighting.
And then there was the wine glasses there. No, there's some lad's got a Maidstone district one. He was bringing it to Alton last Sunday and it broke down on the M25. No, I had a correspondence with him and he had a bodge repair had been done on the fuel side. There's a limiter on the fuel pump and there'd been some bodge repair done on it. And all the seals are put on the wrong way round. It's going along the M25 because he's got it nice and warm running on the limiter. He's got his mate in MCW Metro bus following behind him, and all of a sudden there's a bang and a fireball comes from underneath the bus. What it was all the fuel that built up in the fuel filter. When they got underneath it, they were like, well, there's a wire out there, but apart from that, it's all alright. You know, it looked really dramatic, but it wasn't that bad. So they sort of decapitated it up and took it back to the base. The limiter's totally fucked that. That's burnt out. The rest of it's fine. Yeah, it's top secret. Because the seats from upstairs in this, I mean, what are you waiting to be installed into that?
Or on that batch?
No. It's top secret. Like shooting it across the area.
I know where it is.
That's like how I got to know David Fairbrother because of this. Yeah. He was trying to flog me this. Made a genuinely concerted effort to sell me this vehicle at a minimum we can buy. That's why I so desperate to get them seats. So I said to him, if he ever does anything with this, like scamps it, bring it straight away. So I'm addressing something up here and downstairs. Yeah, spares. Extra brakes. And I've never seen one with all the armrests on. Neither of mine have got all the armrests on. They've got a few, but... Just a pity everything's wrong on it. It's got wrong engine in the back from you, TL11. It's got wrong axle in it, it's got a high-speed axle. With the Mustang, it's a slow-speed one. Because the high-speed one couldn't get up the hills in high whip ramp.
It's quite low gear.
And that's where the upstairs front dome is totally wrong.
So it's quite low gear, this one.
Apart from that, it's the best one because there was some firm, Stevenson's in Essex, trying to flog it one of its sisters in one of the racing magazines. Going, oh yeah, really good condition, really original. I've been inside there, there's some pile of shit. Absolutely, this is, if you're having one of this shape bodywork, this is the one to have. That shadow now. Seen the far best condition. There's not very many that still got all this trim on them. You run them back over that, it's as good as new. Yeah.
Probably going to be on the shaft window.
Yeah, you would, that's all you'd do. You'd never change it. It's just round the back, you've got the exhaust stains, that's all it is. Yeah, that's just a bit of soot on the exhaust, nothing wrong with that. Put these speakers back in, make spend the lottery when they're on the